Imagine selling your house without hiring an agent, making repairs, or worrying about fees, inspections, and appraisals. Simply Sold Property is a real estate investment company that buys houses cash throughout North Carolina and can get money in your hands quick. We provide an alternative way to sell your house where you can skip the traditional process of hiring an agent, showings, and going months waiting in uncertainty. We buy houses in any condition or price range. It starts out by visiting our website at simplysoldproperty.com and giving us a little information about your property. After we get your information, we'll give you a call as soon as possible and listen to your unique situation and work together to come up with a solution. We differ from other We Buy Houses companies that make you lowball offers because we listen carefully to your problems, motivation, and ultimate goal of selling your house. We have worked with various homeowners facing foreclosure, extensive repairs, evicting tenants, trying to sell their house with an agent, need cash quick, and more. We are certain we can work together to build a solution to selling your house quick and hassle-free. Once we have heard your goals and motivations, we craft fair market offers based off what similar properties nearby have recently sold for and determine the amount of renovations your property will need. Whether you need cash in a week or a few months, we let you choose the closing date. One of the best things about working with Simply Sold Property is that we handle everything for you. From the time you sign our contract, we do everything we can to make things as simple as possible for you. We will introduce you to our attorneys that are some of the best in the triad that will guide you on the next steps leading up to closing. When we get to close, relax, knowing that we have everything covered and paid for. No attorney fees or closing costs at all. Give us a call or visit simplysoldproperty.com to see how we can save you money and time when selling your North Carolina house.